Hey, no cheating! I don't need to cheat!
Focus, boys! Huh? What? What's that noise?
Psst. Over here. Come on.
Okay, what's the worst that can happen? What? Guys?
What's up?
It's Kendall. She's gone.
What do you mean? Gone? She can't just disappear. I mean, it's just a closet. Hello and welcome to the Secret Room Show! On the red team, we have Kendall and Tio. Say hello! And Brian and Brittany make up our lean, mean green team. Hi, Mom. Come close, guys. This may look like a pile of junk, but you're gonna use it to make something beautiful. You only have a minute to grab the items for your room makeover. Quick, grab whatever you can.
Paint! We'll need paint! This looks good! What the? Hey, that's mine! Let go!
Hey, what's that?
Nice! But that's not fair! Oh my gosh, money! And it's all mine!
I'll take that. Time is up. I hope you chose wisely. It's time to begin the Secret Room Show.
You know what you're doing, right?
Yeah, of course. Hold on. That's better. This is looking good.
I'm impressed.
We make a good team. Wow. Are you seeing this?
We'll show them. Ready?
Let's put the top on. Steady. Great job. I suppose we better start painting.
This'll be so easy. I'm looking forward to this. I like being artistic. Ready to do this?
Oh yeah. Let's go. I thought this was supposed to be a challenge.
Maybe for other people, but not for us.
We're the dream team.
You know it!
Bring it in. That's it. Right there. Toss over the pillow. Hey, careful!
Oops, I never saw you.
Lower the bed onto the frame. It's looking comfortable already. Well done! I have a great idea, and all we need is this paper. I'll start by drawing a wave pattern, just like this. Now I can cut it out. I just need to follow the line. That's it! This turned out well. I need to stick it to the frame.
And I need this shiny blue foil. I'll lay it out flat. Then scrunch it up. This is fun! And it's perfect. I'll stick it right here. I'll cover the wood and the walls. So far so good. Shall we check it out?
It's amazing! Woohoo!
It's a little rustic. You read my mind. Let's decorate! What do you think of this?
Wow! It's better than I imagined.
Hold on. I have another idea.
Eee! This is so exciting!
I thought you'd like it. These will add a splash of color. I'll fold the paper up like this. And then I'll twist it. It's like a large bow. I'll add some tape and stick it to the wall.
This was a great idea!
It looks so cute!
Let's see what's next.
This is so soft. It's gonna make a great rug.
Whoa! This is awesome!
It's turned out great.
But I think there's something missing. Cover your eyes.
Okay, I love surprises.
No looking. I have a great idea using these LED lights. I'll fix them to the wall. Then I'll cover them with cotton pieces. They're so fluffy. That should do it. Okay, you can look when I tell you.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go!
Whoa! It's like a cloud! It's so colorful! I love it, Tio! You're the best!
Yeah, I get told that a lot. No way! Check that out!
I need to take my time. I don't want to ruin this. I like this already. It really matches the theme we're trying to create. That's both sides of the walls covered. But the floor is too bare. Oh, I know what to do. This blanket will do the trick. It's so pretty. The colors are perfect. I feel like I'm floating in space. But I can't rest. There's too much to do.
Hey, Brian. I don't think you're going anywhere. And disappear. Let's see how the teams are doing. I'm not a fan. I guess I better help them. These can go. That's more like it. But I'm a nice guy. I'll leave them a gift. Oops. It's time to go.
Huh? What happened? Our bows! They're gone! I don't believe it! All our hard work! It's ruined! Hang on. What's this? We can definitely use these lights. I'll stick them to the walls. Wow, it's so cozy. This teddy can go here, and I'll add more pillows. These flowers smell beautiful. We definitely need some plants. I'll put it… Where will I put it? Tio, we have a problem.
Nope. I'm all over it. We can use this plastic pipe. I can add smaller pipes to it. Perfect! Now it needs a coat of paint. You're gonna love this, Kendall. It's almost ready. We just need to wait for the paint to dry. Hey, what are you looking at?
This planter's amazing! I can't believe Tio made it. It's just what we need. And it can… Huh? I'm sure I put a plant there. I must have imagined it. Okay, this is weird. Luckily, I have lots of plants. Seriously, where are they going? Something's going on here. Let's try something different.
Wow, did you do this?
Yeah, do you like it?
It's great. I think I'll take this. Ouch!
I'll hang the sign on the wall. Nothing but good vibes. Wow, it's amazing. I need to take a picture of this. It looks cute. And so do I. I can't wait for Brian to see it. Where is Brian? Ooh, this is handy. What should I choose? Let's call Brian. Okay, that didn't work. I need to get some help. I'll call Elsa. Come on, pick up.
Brittany?
Yes! Elsa, can you help me?
Sure.
Oh, thank you. I'll keep busy until Elsa arrives. I can use this. I'll wrap it in pink paper. Then stack them up. Aw, they look good. I can put this gumball machine on top. Just look at all that delicious candy. And I'll need some soda, too. Then I'll add the sign. I'm gonna enjoy these later. They're so yummy. It's gonna be a feast.
Whoa! Look at all this. It's everything we need. Here you go.
Keep them coming. We should do this professionally. We'd make great designers.
What do you think?
I think we're almost done. I need to add the finishing touches. And then I can relax. Oh, hey, Elsa! Hi, Brittany! It's so good to see you! I love what you've done with the place!
It's time to take out the garbage. It's good to recycle.
Are you crazy? That guy! He did it again! Brittany, take a deep breath. Everything's okay. Let's just dump it at Kendall and Tio's. That's so devious. It's brilliant. First, we need to build something. And we can use this foam noodle. We'll start by cutting it into 3 sections. This makes it so much easier. Now we need to bind the sections together. We can use rubber bands for this. I'll flip them over and do the other side. We need it to be secure. Let's have a look at it. It's looking good. Don't forget the spoon. That's pretty important. Place it in between the rubber bands. Let's try it out. I'm gonna enjoy this. Look at it go! Oh! What was that?
A battery? Huh? No! Take cover!
It's a direct hit!
Hey guys. Look like you need some help. Hand them over. It's payback time. Have fun.
Take that! Ha! You deserve this! No! Don't! Stop!
This is great! Look at them!
I'll never get bored of this. So the tire. I have big plans for it. We need to paint it first.
Sounds good. Let's do this.
I'll paint half of it blue. And I'll do the other half pink.
Whoa! It's so cool!
It's not finished yet. Put the pillow in. There we go. Don't forget about the beads. We can sprinkle them over the paint. Whoa! It's like a giant donut. I wanna eat it. I know, it looks so tasty.
These neon lights will add some style. And we need some seats. Ah, this is the life.
Psst. Elsa, look at this. I totally forgot we had all this money. I think I have an idea. Keep it in here. In it goes. Now I'll lock it. No one will get it now. See? It's totally secure. Wow! They're so lucky! Huh? Where did this come from? I wish it was a safe! Wow! That actually worked!
Hey, nice stuff. I have just the thing for it.
Wow, it's just what I wanted! I'll attach it to the wall. Now we can store all our valuables in it.
I'll put my AirPods and candy bar inside. You can't be too careful.
Okay, I'll lock it.
Good luck to any wannabe thief. Aha, this will be too easy. The perfect crime. Seriously, try and make it a challenge. Ooh, candy. Oh, Brittany has some more goodies. The coast is clear. Now's my chance. I didn't always present a TV show. I have other skills. Ugh! I thought that would work!
What's going on? You've got some explaining to do.
Gotta go.
Yeah, we showed him.
Girls, come over to our place.
Maybe you would like to come with us? Or, let's put them together.
Ooh, like a giant room. Let's do it!
It sounds great! Here we come!
Wow. Ugh, this is heavy.
That's it!
Whoa, I love it! Great job, guys. What's that? Whoa, this is a huge lollipop.
So what do you think?
It's beautiful. You've done a great job. Wow, is that a donut? Ooh, it's so squishy. I love it.
I love the blue. It's so calming. Look at this. You can have this.
No way, are you serious?
Thanks, Kendall.
Whoa, this is amazing!
I'll be right back.
Go on, Brittany! Woohoo!
Phew, what a day. Shh, guys, this is our little secret, okay?
Hello? Why does this always happen to me?